Hello, hi friends, welcome to sushmafeedfantasy. Today I'm preparing potato cheese nuggets. It's really delicious. Children love to eat these nuggets. So let's start the process. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel. So take one potato. First boil the potatoes, add salt. So boil is finished. So remove the skin. Mash the potato with a fork. Nicely smash it. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon grated carrot and chili flakes. Add salt as per your taste. Add red chili powder and oregano. Add tiny bit turmeric. Add corn flour 3 tablespoon. Add 3 tablespoon maida, plain flour. Mix well. Make a nice dough. Use oil if you need. So dough is ready. Take small dough, make a round ball and add cheese. So I'm using slices, cheese slice. If you want, you can take grated cheese also. This is so easy to add. So I'm adding cheese. Fill with the cheese. That's all. You can make any shape if you want. That's all. That's it. So I prepared all nuggets. It's ready to fry. So my oil is ready. So fry it slowly, add it. Keep it in medium flame. So nuggets is ready. Let's do plating. You can eat with sauce, any sauce, mayonnaise, tomato sauce. That's all. It's really delicious. Please try at home. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Until then, see you. Bye. Yum.